Everyone talks about the same old strategies to lose weight: drop calories, run every day, drink more water. But what if I told you there are 5 highly efficient weight loss tricks you most likely haven't heard of that will help you lose weight swiftly and naturally, even without endless workout? Stick with me because hack number 4 quite blew my mind. Quick story. A few years back, I was trapped searching how to lose weight rapidly and how many calories should I ingest to lose weight. I experimented with fat diets, strenuous exercise, and I still felt stuck. Then I began diving into the science behind weight loss. Not only the hip topics, and what I discovered completely changed my perspective on weight loss. So let's start. Hack 1. Meal timing magic. Instead of just counting how many calories to lose weight, concentrate on what you eat and when you eat. Studies show eating your biggest meal earlier in the day and lighter at night can boost fat burning. Ever heard of front-loading your calories? It's one of the easiest ways to lose weight without starving. Hack 2. Step sweet spot. Ever wonder how many steps a day to lose weight? Here's the secret. It's not about hitting 10,000. The magic range is actually 7,500 to 8,500 steps daily. It's sustainable and it's way more realistic. Comment below how many steps are you averaging right now. Hack number 3. Secret weight off water. You don't need to always ask how to lose weight in 7 days. Sometimes the first pounds are merely water weight. Adding food high in potassium such as bananas, avocados, aids to flush sodium and fast make you seem leaner. Hack number 4. The 20-minute rule. This one is insane. Eat slowly and give your brain 20 minutes to realize you are full. It sounds too easy, yet it is actually the best way to reduce weight without exercise. Comment if you have ever unwittingly overeaten just because you were rushing. Hack number 5. Sleeps equals weight reduction. Most people search how many calories should I consume to lose weight, but forget that sleep deficit increases desires and reduces fat burning. Sleeping 7 to 9 hours is a free weight reduction tip most people ignore. Plus, these are 5 strong techniques to naturally lose weight rapidly. Which one most surprised you? Leave a comment below. I would like to hear your ideas, and if you want more weight loss advice and the fastest way to lose weight, click that like